Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make authentic Jamaican fried dumplings. First and foremost, big up Father God away. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the fried dumplings. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use. Here, I have some room temperature butter. I'm going to use some sugar. This is optional, you don't have to use the sugar. I'm going to use some sea salt. This is the flour I'm going to use, all-purpose flour. I'm going to use some baking powder also. And this is the oil I'm going to use to fry the dumplings, corn oil. I'm going to measure the flour. I'm going to use 4 cups of this, okay? This is 1. 2. 3. 4. Now for the baking powder, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. One, 2. So this is 1 teaspoon of salt. 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. The sugar is optional, you don't have to use the sugar as I said before. Before I add the butter and the water, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients together. So you want to mix it evenly. Now I'm going to rub in the butter. When you're doing this, make sure your fingernails them clean, okay? So I'm using room temperature water. I'm going to add the water a liquor by liquor until I form the dough. So you don't want to add too much water at once because you don't want the dough too soft. So just a liquor by liquor as needed. Add some more. When you're making dumpling, you don't want to knead the flour too stiff, okay? So you have to take time. When you're making fried dumplings, don't knead the flour too stiff. So you see, the flour must soft like this, not too stiff, okay? So now I'm not going to add no more water. I'm going to wash off the excess flour off my hand and continue to knead it. So when you wash your hands, make sure to dry them properly. So make sure to dry them properly. Alright. Now go continue to knead the dough. Notice it not stick on my hand too much. Okay, this is how the dough is supposed to look. Not kneading it too much. Your dough is supposed to soft like this. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the stove and preheat the oil. This is the pot I'm going to use. I'm going to pour the oil. Turn on the stove. Now I'm going to allow the oil to come hot. Now I'm going to shape the dumplings them. And remember, your hands must always clean and dry, okay? Alright. Pop off a piece like this. Not too big. Because remember, it have baking powder inside of it. It's going to blow up. So you shape like this. You go round. And you shape it like this, okay? See? And then you put in your hand. See? You want to shape it round. Now you press out the air out of it, okay? So this is how your dumpling is going to look. Look, you pinch off a piece. And you go in a circle. Round and round. Just like this. You roll it in your hand, nigga. See? You press out the air. One more time. Roll and fold. Rotate it and fold it. Rotate it and fold it. Fold the outer edge inside. See? So this is all the dumplings me get. And this is 17 dumplings. Going to fry them now. Now I'm going to check if the oil hot to perfection. So you use a wooden spoon. So you know so the oil hot, you can drop them inside. If it's too high, it's going to burn up the outside of the dumplings and inside don't cook. And if it's too low, it's going to suck in all the oil. Okay, dumpling going to be greasy. You want to take time and drop them. Now I'm going to make them fry for 8 to 12 minutes. Now I'm going to turn over the first one then. So I'm going to make them fry for 4.5 minutes on the sides. Okay, now I'm going to take them out. They've been frying for 9 minutes now. When you take them out the oil, make sure you put them on something that they could drain the excess oil from them, okay? Now I'm going to continue to fry the rest. I'm going to make them fry for 4.5 minutes on this side and turn them over. Here you have it, my people. Jamaican fried dumpling, fried to perfection. I'm going to open up one of them, show you. Fried to perfection. See all the steam coming out there. It's so good. So let me know in the comments what you eat your fried dumplings with. Callaloo, ackee and saltfish, or tin mackerel. Let me know in the comments.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.